Philby, do you want me to wash your bike for you? You didn't do it.
Okay. What do you reckon?
What?
I don't know, just anything.
I don't know.
Cheers.
Coffee.
Coffee. Sunday morning, we're in Echuca. We're going to the, what's it called?
It's the church on High Street, and it's Blessing of the Bikes. Yeah.
It's something like that. It's not called Blessing of the Bikes.
Oh, isn't it?
No.
Oh, right.
It's called the Anointment of the...
It's at the church anyway, so we're getting blessed.
Yeah, all right, let's go. Bye.
Yeah, bye.
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 Bye. Oh, you're coming with me.
Cheerio.
cubic inch capacity, like 0.049. The piston diameter was about the size of my little fingernail. But hey, it revved to 17,000 and it made my plane fly, so I was happy.
we've just been to the church for the Boneshakers anointing.
The anointing of the Boneshakers.
Yeah, so we've done that. Got anointed, so we should be safe for a little bit.
We've been blessed.
And we're here with Ebony.
Ebony,
Hello.
how you going?
Good.
Did you get blessed?
Yeah, we all got blessed. So
Yeah.
God is with us on our bikes.
Do you
thank
feel
God.
better now?
Well, I don't think it'll save me from all the other dickheads on the road, but it might. So if it does, I'll take it.
Fair
I'll
enough.
take it. Another day ride.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it's all right.
Any good bikes?
Yeah, good bikes there. There's a good one with the sidecar there. I like that old banger with the sidecar. And then
Is that the yellow one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was it
Royal
a Royal
Enfield.
Enfield?
Royal
And there
Enfield.
was another Royal Enfield that came in at the end that was an old war bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1930s, 40s.
Did you see his number plate?
No.
It was God something.
God, yeah. God is, I think.
Was it? Anyway, we've ended up at the Echuca Hotel. We've obviously consumed those reasonably well, so
Went for a little skirt over the bridge.
we're going to head off.
And so, yeah, home time.
Righto. Cheers, Fogly Doglies.
Till next time.
Till next time.
Bye.